Friday, February 23rd, 2024, 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and I just ordered a new vacuum, and I've never felt more like embracing my inner Danny Tanner. It just came from Amazon, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing here. Our last vacuum was pretty cheap, and it broke on us. So I got a Hoover, and I'm looking very forward to unboxing it and getting it up and running. Because we have our pets leave so much fur behind. So I'm gonna suck it so hard. Open up this new vacuum cleaner. Be safe. Sharp knives. Have a question? Hoover has the answer. That's right. Even got a picture of a dog, so we know that it's good for cleaning up the pet fur. I'm a 40-year-old guy who's super excited about getting a vacuum cleaner. My wife will kill me, but maybe not. Maybe she'll buy me dinner. I don't know. Nice instructions. Got those. Yeah. That's. I'll recycle everything. Yes. Brush head. Nice. Little compact nozzle for the end of the hose. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, another little vacuum attachment for the hose with a brush roller. Very nice. We are in business. Another little piece of cardboard. I'm gonna recycle everything that can be recycled. More cardboard. Now we're getting into the good stuff. Looks like a handle. Some assembly required. Cardboard. Another part. Filter. This is going to be all of our parts, our miscellaneous parts. I'm assuming a little bit of unpackaging to do here. Just like Christmas morning. Opening up a new present. We were using a hand-me-down, super old vacuum. Getting kind of sick of it. It's going to be a lifesaver. Another handle part. Attachments. Here we go. Oh, it's a heavy one. And that, I believe, is everything out of that package. You can see there. Let me know what you guys think. I know Amazon is kind of an evil organization, but man, if I ever needed an excuse to not go out shopping, the pandemic provided one. But again, all thanks to her and all of her Siberian Husky fur shedding. That's everything in the box. I'm going to do some assembly, get it up and going, and be one half a camper. Have a good rest of the day, guys.